Hi guys, this video mainly focused by the LinkedIn purpose. So this is a YouTube channel from Digital Rakesh. So who are coming to first time watching video, please don't have, subscribe the channel after watching the video, and please comment me any kind of question about the social media SEO regarding how we can making a website and any inquiry about that SEO regarding issues. We can give the complete information. And thing is that one more thing. I am missing some comments about the WhatsApp and the YouTube channels. If you are, please re-comment me. Definitely, I will support. Due to I received a lot of comments on the WhatsApp except YouTube, so I unable to reaching your message. So please re-comment me. I definitely will be support you. So today we discuss topic about that LinkedIn option. So how to use the LinkedIn option? In this LinkedIn, first of all, we have to promote him will be option name is called LinkedIn company page. LinkedIn company page. So what are the your page post? We can check with here the particular option. So LinkedIn completely changed. Previous article will be posting only for LinkedIn profile, but newly future will be came from the LinkedIn company page. We can write article also. So how we can write article? Same like just selecting your title, upload image. Image will be your wish. That will be 12 by 720. What are the size you want? You can select the particular size itself. So here I'm upload image. Select the full image. Next, upload content. Allowing link. So click here and click for publish. In this article, direct we can share by the your LinkedIn profile also. The LinkedIn article, what are the page article you've done by, that will be sharing for your LinkedIn profile here also. In this, anyone only one option is there. Click it and click for publish in this. So it is done by here. If you share this one, we have two options there. Company is done. Now where your company, only your profile, are your particular groups. Any groups you have to share here. Anyone plus Twitter. So just here posting and click for in this. This article will be sharing for at a time LinkedIn and your Twitter also. What is the final results? They reaching for your LinkedIn company page option. So once it is reaching done, they're reaching for where your particular option will be given by the Twitter and LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn company page also. Here benefit, one is called the increase YouTube views, website traffic, or LinkedIn company page followers. Anyone click here your page. Now click in this option. They will show your post will be in this particular option. Page post will be here. So this article, when click this article, they show article will be here. Copy link. Now we can close it. In this, we have to click here. They go to your particular YouTube channel. So one thing is called this content we can sharing for your Twitter. When click here, they open your article. When coming to article, if you click this one, the article will open. If anybody not follow your option, they will be follow the your particular company page. Your benefit is called increase your LinkedIn company page followers, profile connection, and if you what are the links you give, YouTube link or website link, the traffic will be generate, view will be generate, and your people are interesting. They subscribe your channel also. These are the point we can use on the particular LinkedIn company page. Major marketing strategy LinkedIn company page. So if you're sharing for Twitter or any option, here is the thing. Same like that, we can share the video from the LinkedIn company page, increase the follow purpose. The video don't exceed by more than 10 minutes. More than 10 minutes. So here, just I'm uploading in this. click here and post the content. Here, profile will be showing the audience will be anyone plus Twitter. Here will be, you can target the specific target audience also, but I am not give the target. I can target by anyone in this particular page option. This based on the post, your reach and increase will be more will be getting for traffic. Video always remember don't exceed more than 10 minutes. Suppose I'll go with more than 10 minutes video. So I'll tell you the what happened in this particular thing. So here, which is 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes, we can go with this. So I'm selecting for 9 minutes, 15 seconds, they'll accept or not. They'll accept, but more than 12 minutes, 10 minutes, they can't accept. Now click for done. Here is a post. Here will be completely changing will be option. These are the complete marketing strategies. What are the video uploading? What are the not video uploading? They're completely changing here. So this here, I'm uploading the video into the particular pattern. It will be uploaded here. So this is the new marketing strategy on the LinkedIn option. Previous less than 10 minutes, they will accept it. They will uploading video onto LinkedIn. Every option are more than 10 minutes, or less than 10 minutes, nothing will be worry about that. Every video upload on the LinkedIn up to will be possible other things. But a LinkedIn company page, short video when upload, the reach is more will be getting for results on the particular audience. So these are the mainly focused by the option. So this completely change less than 10 minutes that all will be don't follow this option. So that is the reason after uploading, I'll tell you this, people will be say less than 10 minutes, not go this option. So now we can see is the live. I'll show this option. Right, I video uploading here, complete for 12 minutes. Suppose any long minutes will be there. I'll check it out. This all will be 6 minutes. 10 minutes, 48 seconds. These are 4 minutes. So depend on the option, we can do changing the method here. So what are the possibilities? You can upload the option on your particular LinkedIn things. So here is the 11 minutes. Post it. How many minutes? Completely 11 minutes. Here will be post. But uploading takes some time to the show to the page, the particular video. So this is the marketing strategy. We can upload in video, photo, poll, write an article. This method reaching audience by sharing by the your LinkedIn profile. So you forget sharing LinkedIn profile, nothing to reach your page. Nobody can no understanding the what you are sharing the content. So this will be compulsory. We can share this option. So this all future will be given by the click here. These all the copy link to post and share by link from the through your profile option. Here is the when you copy link, automatically in different pages are your particular anyone plus Twitter or your particular groups option. Most of the unknown people will be reaching your audience. That is only for LinkedIn groups. We're getting know about your LinkedIn company page, increase your followers. Regularly posting is more important. LinkedIn company page, getting followers and getting for your particular audience option. So what is the mainly I focus a video. Previous we can posting for less than 10 minutes video, but now will be we can uploading for more than 10 minutes also will be applicable onto the LinkedIn company page option. So this is a marketing strategies to uploading photo, videos and everything to share on your LinkedIn profile and groups the reach is more, to activity is more, getting traffic, LinkedIn profile connection, LinkedIn followers, and your website traffic or YouTube views and subscriber will be increased. So content should mainly focus by the educational content. Don't post the film content to LinkedIn. This will be complete from the education network. Utilize them and follow the content on your particular LinkedIn page. Any question about LinkedIn company page, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support how to create and any kind of promotions to generating LinkedIn followers and posting methods. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.